Hi, welcome back to everyone. See this problem. This is a problem on resistor circuit. Here, how to calculate current IB in this branch. So first of all, observe circuit carefully here. How to calculate IB. So IB is the current passing through this branch. So here two sources are there. So one is voltage source, another is current source. So voltage source was contributing some current, and current source also contributing current. So here, from this branch, means from the voltage source, let the current I1 was entering, and from the current source the current is I2. So I1 plus I2 equal to IB. Here we want IB value. So first of all, find I1 and I2. So I2 nothing but the current source directly, that is given as 0.5. So I2 equal to 0.5. Now how to find I1? So I1 be in this branch. So in this branch, what is the current? So first of all, find the overall resistance in this branch. So here, this is R1 resistance, this is R2 resistance. Both are in series. So overall resistance RT equal to sum of the resistance, that is R1 plus R2. So it becomes 64 plus 36, nothing but 100 ohms. So this is the overall resistance in this branch. Now apply Ohm's law, we will get current I, that is I1, that is I1 equal to V by R. So V is 10 volts and overall resistance in this branch is 100 ohms. So it becomes 0.1 amperes. This is the I1. But here we want current IB. So IB nothing but I1 plus I2. Now add these two values, we will get IB value. That is IB equal to, so I1 we got 0.1 and I2 is nothing but 0.5 amperes. So it becomes 0.6 amperes. So the current IB, that is 0.6 amperes. So this is the required current for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks for more videos.